Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Buffalo Picker? Big Buff. Yeah, in Glass City. Defend the hustle. Have you ever heard of my boy D? Yeah, from Fundamentals of the Side Hustle. Him and Michelle. Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of my boy out of Texas, the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? Have you ever heard of my boy Cali Resales? Yeah, Lewis. You know what I'm saying? But it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just want to talk about, the method I have when I go through thrift stores. I got a method. If I'm looking for something specific, like right now, if I was to go through that right now, I'm looking for specific stuff because I got a whole lot of stuff. So I'm going through there looking for certain items. Okay, but I had a pattern the way I run around to the store. Like I go through the door and I follow the walls on around till I get to the toys. But now what I do when I go in there, I go straight to what I'm looking for. Now I go straight to the toys because it's specific toys that I'm looking for that I can make money off of. Whole lot of money off of. So I go to toys first. Then I go to the record albums and record albums, CDs and stuff like that. Then I go to books. So then if I got time, which I do because I don't understand how people go in the thrift store and spend 10 minutes. You passing by a whole lot of money, because you're spending 10 minutes in there. You ain't nobody that damn good to go through a thrift store. I look for stuff in every category. So just like right now, I got so much Pyrex and so much what's the name of that other stuff? So much cloning wear and vision wear and stuff like that. I really don't look for them no more. And if I do look for it, I'm looking for the most expensive ones. I'm going through there looking for the ones that make me some money. Because I got so much, I got about 5 or 6 crates full of that stuff. And I've been selling it, but I don't even have 10% of it listed. So what I do, I walk through the store, I go straight to the items I'm looking for. Like right now, I'm in a position where I go straight to what I'm looking for, like toys. I go to toys, I'm looking for Star Wars stuff, I'm looking for antique old toys, I'm looking for a whole lot of figures. There's a whole lot of figures out there that'll make you some money. I'm looking for new toys, new old stock, stuff like that. So I go straight to toys. And I had so much success off books that I go through books and I spend my time scanning those books because you guys is passing these books up, you losing money. I don't care if the book $10. You charge $2 you can make $10 off of it. You charge them for shipping. You're gonna charge them for shipping. And media mail is practically nothing. So only way I don't pay media mail if I sell a book over $50. I'm sorry. No, take that back. It has to be over $100 because the books are heavy. So, but other than that, because somebody paid $100 for a book, they're not gonna want it to go through media mail. So, I would do priority on that. And sometimes, if it's cheaper to send through, I check all the formats. If it's cheaper to go through another instead of USPS, I go through there. So, you guys are passing these books up. You need to spend an extra 15, 20 minutes looking through these books. You passing up some money. Now, I go look through LPs, 45s, 33s, 75s. I go look through all these vinyl records. A whole lot of them not vinyl. Because I found one, it was a rockabilly, like a country group. I sold that for $50. And I never would have thought to pick up a country rockabilly song. anything that's odd that you never heard before, look it up. Anything that's odd, like music that's odd that you never heard before. And I tell you what, a whole lot of jazz, like 60s and 50s jazz or early 70s jazz, some of that sells too. So if y'all take an extra 15, 20 minutes on each one of these different types of items, then you'll see your income go up. So lastly, I look through, I don't look through the clothes. If I do, I'm looking for Harley t-shirts, stuff like that. I hardly never find no antique t-shirts like everybody else. So that's kind of discouraging. So if I look through t-shirts, I'm looking for Harley Davidson stuff. And if I happen to see an old t-shirt, a vintage t-shirt, then I'd be glad. But you know, I try not to mess with clothes too much. So then I go over to electronics. I found some good stuff in electronics. You know, VHS, DVD players, recorders, all kind of stuff. Electronics get you some money. So you almost have to stop over there. So just get a routine together. Whatever you're looking for, go there first, because I done missed out on a whole lot of stuff because I didn't follow my routine. I look for golf clubs, bats. I don't buy nothing but composite bets now, unless I see a bet that's like kind of an adult bet that's kind of appealing. I look at it, and if it look like it's worth something, I'll look it up. But composite bets always sell. Golf clubs. St. Louis is really not a good place to look for golf clubs. You know, I had my boy Casey. He always find golf clubs when he go out, because he lived by where they play a whole lot of golf at. We got golf clubs here, you know, golf clubs that you actually go to and play golf. But I never find no good clubs, and on Facebook Marketplace or nothing. So, but anyway, I do find some clubs every once in a while that's worth some money. I just sold one for $50, you know. So, and I got a lot of golf clubs. So when you guys go, get a routine together, just like I said, and make sure, I ain't gonna say make sure you stick to it, but make sure you make a habit of doing the same thing over and over again. That way you won't be all jumbled up when you get in the store. You'll know what you're doing. You'll have a purpose. You'll know what you're doing. And you guys haven't noticed, I noticed that eBay moving my stuff around for some reason to different categories and stuff like that. And you guys don't know that some categories you get charged more in that category than you do in the category. Like say I had corning wear, and they put it in vision wear, because corning on vision. Or, you know, they move to another category like dinner or diners. I don't even know how to say it. But all I notice is that they moving my stuff around, and it might cost me some money because different categories charge different fees. And they ain't telling you they doing it. So I'm gonna investigate it a little more. I'm pretty sure the auction professor noticed that. He probably got I watch him every day, but anyway, he probably got finna make a video about it, because he on everything. That dude is on it. Whatever eBay do something, he know. So I'm gonna wait for him to make a video. But other than that, y'all, you know, I just want to make a video on I don't know if this wind getting on this, messing with this video or not. But I just want to make a video on shopping at thrift stores, especially the ones that you used to going to. Try to get a routine. A routine is better than just going through there blindly and don't have a mission when you go in there. When I go in there, I got a mission. And each store I try to spend an hour in there. I don't want to miss nothing. I don't want to miss no money. You know, so if it take, but a whole lot of stores don't have good signals where you can go in the store and look that stuff up. But look for the odd stuff. And I have good luck with books because I just look at them and they look interesting and I scan them. You know, I don't stand up there and scan every book. But if I read the title or certain like John Grissom, if I see his books, some of his books worth money, some of them not. So whenever I used to see his books, I just used to buy them because they were 50 cents. And then I would bundle them together and sell them like that for about $15, $16. Now I done paid 50 cents for them. So I put like 8 of them together. That's $4. You know what I'm saying? So, and I make $16 to $25 off of 8 books. So you gotta have some kind of plan together. Like if you make a mistake and buy a couple of books and they by the same person and they ain't worth nothing, try to buy a couple of more to lot them up. Lot them up and see, just like I used to buy a whole lot of Disney videos. Watching these videos thinking they worth some money. They ain't worth no money. So I would lot them up. I got 24 of them on there now. I paid 25 cents a piece for them. I got 24 on there now. I got a lot of 24 on there for $50-something. Somebody bought it. Okay, so the diamond, the masterpieces and all that. So anyway, y'all, now I keep the new ones. I always look for new videotapes. I keep them. When I bundle them, I can bundle them up as new and make more money. But anyway, y'all, I just want to make this quick video and tell y'all to spend more time in these thrift stores because you're gonna be losing a lot of money by walking out of there, you know, just looking for certain things. You know, a whole lot of people got niches. You know, I don't have too much of a niche. Only niche I got is comic books, Star Wars stuff, but I'm still looking for other stuff too. Now I do look for certain things. Hold on, y'all. I do look for certain things because I don't call it a niche because that's just not one category that I'm selling in. I just call it, you know, selling. I like selling different things like books. I love selling books, but a whole lot of stuff is difficult to sell. Like albums, just regular record albums. They take a long time to sell unless you got some good ones that people are looking for. So anyway, y'all, I just want to make this quick video to tell y'all about that. And you know, on Wednesday nights, on Tuesday nights, I want y'all to watch. You know, go to Fundamentalz of the Side Hustle. That's Hump Day Hangout with Big D and Regina Michelle. You know, go there and check them out on on Tuesdays. And on Friday, check out Buffalo Picker, you know, him in Glass City. You know, check them out. I'll be on that show at the end of every month, you know, the last Friday of every month. So you guys check these shows out. You get good information. And sometimes we just talk about each other and stuff. You know, it's just all in fun, you know. But most of the time, we talking about stuff where you can learn. And you don't have to go on there and make no comments or nothing. You can just listen to the show. You don't have to tell nobody you there or nothing. You can just listen to the show. But always get a thumbs up though, you know. But we prefer you to participate, you know. But you don't have to, you know. Sometimes I just listen to the show. I make sure I get my thumbs up, and I just listen to the show. You know, that's sometimes what I do. You know, they don't even know I'm there most of the time. So, and also on Friday nights, it's a late night though. This damn geese in the street. Anyways, late night. Big D Derek got a show on his channel where he just let it go. I'm just saying, cursing and everything. He answers your questions, but he give you his opinion. And you might not like the answer, but he give it to you. I need to make a show like that. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Picking in the Hood too. I pick in thrift stores, yard sales, estate sales. I pick up cans alongside the road. If I see a piece of metal on the side of the road, I'm picking it up, throwing it in my truck. Every month I go to the metal place and get rid of metal. You know, so I do everything. I don't care. You leave something on the ground, I'm picking it up. Whatever. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm Picking in the Hood too. Woo! I just want to say, yeah, because we picking the hood too. Yeah. Peace.